Hey, what's up? So you want to get results like these. So for example, for this keyword, which has around an 8K a month search volume, 16 positions in 7 days, all these ones as well. Then let's do this one right here. 84 positions. This one has a search volume of around 300. And let's see one more. Nothing interesting here. Nothing interesting here. This one is moving up as well. This one moved 13 positions. No search volume though. This one moved 27 positions in 7 days. So this are some sites that I started working on, and I've built some PBN links to them. And as you can see, it's working like a charm. And keep in mind that these, for example, this one is an 8K a month search volume keyword. But if you add these ones, which are easier to rank for because the search volume is lower, if you add this one plus all of these ones, and we can even add different ones from different sites, eventually they'll all add up to around 8,000. So the idea here is that, okay, it's good to see big numbers here and big numbers here. So meaning that the PBN links I'm building are working for high search volume keywords. But it's also interesting to see that, of course, they all also work for lower search volume keywords. But don't just focus on the big search volumes. I think I'm rambling a bit, but my point here is that if you add up all of these ones, you'll get super high search volume. So the idea is that not only you shouldn't just focus on high volume search keywords. You can focus on several smaller search volumes. So several keywords, with smaller search volumes, because then it will all add up. So this is to say that this was done through just using PBN links, which I'll link in the description. They're super safe. They have actual SSLs on the sites. I track the metrics according to Majestic, so trust flow is the citation flow, as well as hrefs, so UR and DR. So the links work, as you can see here, they're working, and I'm just recording this video because if you want to grab some links, of course, you need to have a properly optimized on-page SEO. On this site, I just started optimizing the on-page 2 weeks ago, maybe. So these rankings here are a combination of both the on-page that I've done and the off-page. The off-page, in this case, it's only been PBN links so far. But these links actually work. So if you want to grab some, just click the link in the description or in the comments below. And when you submit the requirements, so the URLs and the anchor text, make sure to write the word or write the sentence saying, "I came from YouTube," so I'll know to give you some extra links and some extra power on the link. So that's it. I just realized I was not looking at the camera. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you hate PBN links, make sure to click the link below, and mention you came from YouTube. I'll give the links extra power and some extra links to you. These links actually work. Again, I started working on this site like 2 weeks ago when I did the on-page, maybe a week ago when I started doing the off-page SEO solely with PBNs. As you can see, we have weekly movements, not on this one just yet, but on this one, weekly movements, and on this one here, 52 positions. So I'm just now starting, and I know these aren't super big movements, but these links actually work. And if you want to grab some, again, make sure to click the link in the description. I got my Invisalign on, so that's why sometimes I stumble upon my words. But I won't bother you anymore. New videos coming out every week. I'm going to start doing more content around SEO, and I'm going to go over more case studies and actual things that bring value to you that you can watch and maybe take some value from it. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next week.